Please subscribe my channel, like and share, and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. So what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button below.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I'll show you how to add payment in AdSense account. When you reach a threshold of $10, then they verify your name, and after that they also ask you to verify the address. So once you complete all these steps, then you need to add your payment option. After $100, you can then withdraw that amount to your bank. So how to do it, what is the procedure, what are the details that I'm going to cover all of in this video. So let's start with opening Google Chrome, and let's log in with Google AdSense. So now this is my Google AdSense, and you can see here your billing address has been verified. Make sure this message is there on your Google AdSense, because without that adding payment option will not benefit you. So, and for this I have also a video. You can check my playlist on my channel about monetization, YouTube monetization. So you can find the video there, and you can verify your billing address if it is not verified. But if it is verified, then it's fine. You need just to add the payment. So just click on the payments. On the right side there is option add payment method. So click on add payment method. Now you have two options: add new check details, add wire transfer. If you want to use bank, so you need to choose the first one. The second one, they will deliver a check to your address, which sometimes does not deliver. So I recommend to use this first method. Now our first option here is beneficiary ID. That is optional, so I'm not going to write it. Then second is name on bank account. So whatever your name is, for example my name is Sohail, so I'm just writing it here. Make sure to type it properly, like the name, type as it is appear on your checkbook or your bank name detail. Then you have, they are asking the bank name, so I can for example using the Mizan Bank. And then they are asking us Swift BIC. So Swift BIC is actually a code used for transfer of money, so that you can ask from your bank. You can either call them or visit your nearest branch. I'll show you how this Swift BIC look like. So if I write Mizan Bank Swift BIC here, see it is like this, like MEZN, that is the name of the bank, PK is for Pakistan, and K is for Karachi. So depends on your country, on your region. This is the initial word, and then we have three more digits. These digits you can ask from the bank, because these digit bank person will give you information, and that you also need to enter. So I'm just copying this thing here, and I'm pasting it here, but I need three more digits that I can get from the bank. Then you have IBAN number. So IBAN number, this is written on your checkbook, and how it look like that I'll also show it to you. So you can see here that it is like this, PK36 CBN account detail, all these things are in your checkbook, so you can just copy from there, and then you need to retype that. And there are a few more options, but you need not to worry about it. You just need to type all these things and then click on the save. Your bank will be added, and then after you reach $100 threshold, then they will send you money to your bank. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have learned something new, like my video, subscribe my channel, and share it with your friend and family so that may benefit also. And I upload informative videos every week. Take care. Allah Hafiz.